We're using math tricks and mental math to solve this tricky math problem. And PEMDAS is saying that multiplication goes first. So let's write out 343 times 11. And we're not going to solve the multiplication like this because that will take us a long time to do. And so we're going to use a math trick. And the math trick is that you're going to add these two numbers, 3 plus 4, but you want to write this 3 and this 3 because you also got to add 4 plus 3. And so you want to leave room in the middle and write these 3's on the, you want to keep the outer digits apart from each other, and you're going to leave 2 spaces. So then you can write you can write the result of 3 plus 4. So what is 3 plus 4? And sometimes, I mean, it's better to write it out like this, 3 plus 4, and then 4 plus 3, and 3 plus 4 and 4 plus 3 equals 7. So there you go, that's it. And that only works with multiplying 11. So there you go, you learn a trick. The next thing we'll do is erase this, now that we figured that out, and write 4 plus 3,077, well, it's not 77, 3,774 divided by 5. And PEMDAS is saying that division goes first. Notice that we are going to be solving a big number here. That's too big. We're not going to use long division to figure this out. We're not going to do this. We're not going to write 3,774 divided by 5. That will take us a very long time. So what I'll do is, so let's just erase all this for space, and I'll write the 4 plus here for later. And we're just going to break down the numbers that equals 3,774. So we know there's 3,000 in that big number. So there you go, we got 3,000. We know there's 500, right? So now we're at 3,500, so we're getting close to 3,774. And then we have a 200 in there because we're climbing up to 700. So now we're at 3,700, we're getting close. There's a 50, we're getting close to 74, so now we have 3,750. We got a 20, so now we're at the 70, and then 4. And if you add all this, it will equal 3,774. And then you just divide it by 5. Easy peasy. And so let's go ahead and solve those, and then we'll add those up. So we're going to start with, let's start with the bottom. 4 divided by 5. That's what, 0.8, right? Because there's a whole 5, right? There's 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10, or yeah, it's 5. It's 100%. You have 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and then you got 1. So it is 0.8 there. Next, what gives you 20? 4, right? 4 times 5 is 20, or 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then what is 50 divided by 5? 10, right? Because 10 times 5 is 50. And then what will give you 200 with 5? So something times 5 gives you 200. What is it? Well, I know 4 times 5 is 20. So if we add a 0, that's 200. 40 times 5 is 200. And then this is easy. 500 divided by 5 is 100, right? Because 100 times 5 is 500. And then lastly, what will give us 3,000? So I know 500, think about money. So if you need 5, so 5, so 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500. So that's just with 5. So let's do 6, right? Because 6 times 5 is 30, right? Plus, so if we just add another, or two other zeros, that'll give us 3,000, because 60 times 5 is 300. and then add another 0, and that gives you 3,000. Wow. So then all you have to do is just add these up. So 6, 700, 40, 50, 4. So, and then 0.8. So it is 754.6. Wait a minute, is that right? No, it's 8. Why am I writing 6? Huh, did I do something wrong? Oh, no, it's right. That is right. Yes. Why did I write a 6? It's 8. Yeah, because 4 divided by 5 is 0.8. Huh, interesting. Yeah, because we want to make sure that we have 3,774. And so now all you have to do is add this to the 4. And so your total is 758.8. There you go. Why I keep writing 6? Okay, so you saw what I did? All you did was add 4 to the 54. That's 58.8 because 0.8 comes from this 4 divided by 5. And there you go. This is your answer, by the way. Now, go ahead and put your answers down in the comment section down below. Tell me what is the mixed number answer to this math problem, and also the improper fraction answer, if you can figure that out. So I gave you a decimal answer. So go ahead and put your mixed number answers in the comment section down below. So I don't know, maybe the answer is 3/4/5. You tell me that in the comment section down below. And also an improper fraction, so like 11/5, maybe. I'm not sure, but please help us out. Put your answers in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.